Hi guys, it's really early, but it's 5:30 a.m., but I can't sleep, so I'm gonna do another lesson. We're gonna go back to the exam and we're gonna take it. So,
か、ふ、し、ほ、ふ、ほ、わ、わ、つ、つ、き、よ、き、に、ぬ、も、わ、ま、ま、に、て、つ、つ、ろ、か、な。
so I failed on that, so we'll try that again another time. But we're gonna go down to the third lesson. Why does that wiggle so weirdly?
あなたは会社員ですか？あなたは会社員ですか？あの人は日本人です。あの人は日本人です。あの人は先生ですか？医者。あの人は医者ではありません。あの人は先生ですか？あの人は医者ではありません。医者。 あの人は日本人です。医者、あの人は日本人です。あの人は日本人です。あの人あの人は中国人ではありません。あの人は医者ではありません。あの人は医者ではありません。あの人は医者ではありません。あなたは会社員ですか？あなたはかしゃいんあなたは会社員ですか？いしゃいんですか？あなたは会社員ですか？私は医者です。わたしは医者です。私は医者です。こんにちは、さくらです。私は先生です。あの人は関くんです。関くんは先生ではありません。歯医者です。私たちはいい友達です。あなたのお仕事は何ですか？
Okay, so this is the vocabulary we have learned. We've learned international student, student, office worker, teacher, doctor. We've also learned British, American, Korean, Japanese, and Chinese. So The interrogative word for who is dare. Anata wa dare desu ka? Who are you? Anata wa dare desu Oh. Ano hito wa dare desu ka? Who's that person? Ano otoko no hito wa dare desu ka? Who's that man? The inclusive topic particle mo means also or as well. Examples of using mo. Watashi wa Nihonjin desu. Tanaka-san mo Nihonjin desu. Watashi wa gakusei desu. Rii-san mo gakusei desu. San is an F suffix added after a person's last name as a polite form of address. It's equivalent to Mr., Mrs., and Miss. You should never use san when referring to yourself. Tanaka-san for Mr. Tanaka. A young male peers, or when speaking to a younger male, the suffix kun is often used in the place of san and is less formal. Tanaka-kun. When addressing a close female friend, the suffix is chan and is often used after her first name as well. Hanako-chan. There's different ways to refer to men and women in Japanese. One of the most common ways is written in text, and another common way written in the conversational speech. Third term is used to refer to young men and women, and boys and girls. The three terms can be found in the chart below. Dansei is man. Dansei is male, is written. Josei is female, conversational. Otoko no hito is man. Otoko no hito is woman, conversational. Juvenile. Otoko no ko. Otoko no ana no ko. Sorry, guys. Do not simply use otoko no ko, man, and ono woman when referring to a person's gender. It's considered impolite. The proper terms are otoko no hito and ono no hito. Gender is very different from gender in Spanish and French. It's a biological concept rather than a grammatical one. Grammatical genders do not exist in Japanese. Thus, there is no gender-based verb conjugation or subject for agreement in Japanese. Kunyomi, or Japanese reading for kanji characters. Basically, Japanese have a different way of reading some characters that they got from the Chinese, and so they'll say it differently. So, okay. So, the Chinese way of saying the first kanji is jin, as the Japanese way of saying is hito. The male is dan for Chinese, and it's otoko for Japanese, and Jo for women for Chinese, but it's Onna for Japanese. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you had a good time, and I will see you next time. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell. Have a good day and good luck.